Hey, hi everyone, I'm Frank The Wholesale Pro, and welcome to the very first episode of Fix My Wholesale. I have worked with thousands of wholesale distributors over the years, helping them improve their operations, streamline sales, and modernize how they do business. This series, Fix My Wholesale, is all about real problems and real solutions. The same ones wholesalers are using every day to fix their business and start growing again. Now, for those who don't know, the Wholesale Pro, it's a channel created by Orders and Seconds. We have worked with wholesalers over 20 years, providing technology that makes order fulfillment easy and simple. In today's episode, we're diving into a question I hear all the time. Why isn't my wholesale business growing? Usually it comes down to three hidden bottlenecks: outdated technology, no sales goal, and no prospecting strategy. Let's break down each one and talk about how to fix them. The first major growing killer I see: outdated tech. You can't scale your 2025 wholesale business with 2010 systems. Are you still quoting in Excel? Still managing customer orders through email thread? Or worse, no CRM or order tracking software? Outdated tools make your team slower, your customers frustrated, and your data unreliable. That means more mistakes, slower quotes, and missed sales opportunity. Modernize your tech stack one step at a time. Use a CRM or ERP system, depending on the size of your business, to track leads, customers' communication, and overall performance. This keeps your sales team organized and help you see exactly where deals are in your pipeline. Upgrade to a sales order management that your inside or field sales rep can use to place orders, like OIS Pro or the OIS Central system. These tools include powerful selling features built for wholesalers. If you are interested in learning more, I leave the link in the description. Make sure your inventory and orders sync with CRM, ERP, or even QuickBooks Online. And if you're using that, everything should connect so you can manage your business from one system instead of 10 spreadsheets. Pro tip: you don't need to change everything overnight. Just start by replacing the weakest link. Usually that's your quoting, ordering, or inventory process. Once those are modernized, everything else becomes easier. The second bottleneck: no sales goal. If you don't have clear numbers, your team doesn't know what success looks like. I walk into a lot of wholesale business where the team says, we just try to sell as much as we can, but without target, daily, weekly, or monthly, there's no urgency, no focus, and no accountability. Here's the fix: set SMART goals. Specify measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Let me give you some example of goals. Add 10 new wholesale customers this quarter. Increase average order value by 50%. Get 30% of all customers to reorder in 90 days. Pro tip: then track progress visibly. Use a whiteboard in your sales office or share dashboard in your CRM. celebrate small wins, and review numbers weekly. The third bottleneck might be the most painful. No consistent prospecting? Here's the fix. You need a simple, repeatable prospecting system. Too many wholesalers rely only on existing customers. When those accounts slow down, so does the business. Here's how. Build a list, identify your top 100 dream retail customers using LinkedIn or Google Maps. I know what you're gonna say. I don't have time for that. Well, don't worry, I got you. Freebie alert. I love to give away freebies, especially leads that will help you grow your wholesale business. Click the link below to sign up to receive 100 free B2B leads based on your needs. Retail leads, restaurant leads, convenience store leads, etc. You're welcome. Reach out weekly, personalized email, or phone outreach offering value, product samples, catalog updates, or market insights. Follow up. Use a CRM to track conversations so no lead falls through. Think about it. Even if you reach out just 10 new prospects a week, that's 500 plus potential accounts a year. Consistency beats intensity every time. So if your wholesale business feels stuck, check for those 3 bottlenecks first: outdated tech, no sales goal, and no prospecting strategy. Fix those, you'll see growth faster than any campaign or pricing change. And if you want me to fix your wholesale business next, drop your biggest challenge in the comments below. You might be featured in the next episode of Fix My Wholesale. Please don't forget to subscribe. New episodes every week to help you grow your wholesale business the smart way.